day, so Heather and I decided to take a bit of a road trip. We're on Cape Sable Island at West Head, and we're just checking out the boats. A lot of these, some of them are lobster boats, but not all of them. Some of them are just some of them are like they go out and they catch bait or any other kind of seafood. There's a place just down the road here you can buy swordfish or whatever you want. Anyways, pretty cool. A lot of these are massive boats, some of these, eh? But anyway, this is a rescue boat here. It has an enclosure, so I guess to keep people warm once they rescue them. Let's see what this guy's doing. Looks like no problem to park that thing, but I don't know. I wouldn't want to be the one driving. Floats in there pretty quick. Well, you can hear it rev up to put them back into place. That's pretty cool. It's called Just Da Fit, that boat. And it just fit in between those other two boats. That blue one down there is called Room for More. Can't see the names on them all, but pretty cool. They have like plants here too for taking in the fish. There's a big plant over here, back in behind there. There's all the way along this island, Cape Sable Island. There's different fish processing plants all along it. So it's a pretty well. We are in the lobster capital of Canada. I don't know if it's the world or just Canada. Anyway, that's what we're up to today.